I don't know what you're drinking this summer, but I am drinking summer in a cup, and I have lots of flavors, but my new favorite is Sunshine. And I was thinking about like when you're walking on the beach and you just want a cocktail and you just want it to be light and breezy, a little bit sweet, you want summer in a cup Sunshine. This is really good with vodka, which I'm gonna make for myself, but it's also important that every summer in a cup flavor is really good just with a little bit of spritzer, or like a clear cola is really nice, or champagne, Prosecco. When you mix this, it's 1 part alcohol and 2 parts mix. I'm eyeballing, but you can measure. Cool thing about summer in a cup Sunshine is you can be on the beach, but you don't have to be, and it'll feel like you are. Just gonna give it a little shake. It's pretty too. Doesn't that just look light and refreshing? Give it a little garnish, because why not? Cheers. It's a perfect blend of mango, orange, a little bit of lemon. It tastes like what Sunshine's supposed to feel like.